Now, let's see how to increase the swap file. First thing first, make sure that you have a swap file in your system. It will show the current swap available. If you see the type file, it indicates that you are using a swap file. Now before you resize the swap file, you should turn the swap off. You can disable a given swap file using this command. Now use the fallocate command in Linux to change the size of the swap file. Make sure that you mark this file as swap file. You should see an output like this where it warns you that old swap signature is being wiped out. Once you do that, enable the swap file. That's it. You just increased the swap size in Ubuntu from 4 GB to 8 GB. You can check swap size using the free command or the swapon show command.